Yo, so leading on from yesterday's little chat, we don't have a natural lifestyle anymore, and all those gadgets do have a place for some in allowing them to reap the benefits of nature whilst living in a synthetic environment. The other time that science is really good is fixing something when it's already broken. So if you're looking to enhance your health or looking to get into health, the first things to do are all just those primal ways of living, the basics: grounding, earthing, cold therapy, fasting, good food, lots of movement. And if those things don't fix it, then that's when science really plays a massive role in obviously supporting us. So there was some really good talks today with some really smart people, and all of those people really can work out what the problems are and how to fix them, because they understand all the inner workings going on a cellular level. So whilst I still think prevention's better than cure, focus on the basics, don't necessarily need to invest in lots of gadgets, but if you are struggling and have nailed the basics, then definitely look into some of these leading experts, and I can always help point you in the direction as well of some useful people to find out some information from. Hope that helps, and I'll speak to you guys soon.